Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. Today's video, we are making ring donuts. This is the easiest and very simple recipe you ever find. I discovered this recipe and trust me, it has boomed my sales, made everything look as delicious and tasty, and the moment I get it done, it gets finished in just a few days. So stay tuned and let me walk you through the process. This is something you can do to support yourself just like I'm doing. These are the tools and ingredients we are using for today's ring donuts. We have eggs here, we have some sugar, we also have baking powder, some salt, vanilla, some butter, our flour, evaporated milk. We'll be using a mixing bowl with a sieve, a cooling rag, serving tray, some tissue, our silicone spatula, skewers, and our measuring spoon, among others. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. Start by pouring into the mixing bowl the sugar, then we add onto it the eggs, then we place it into the stand mixing machine with the whisk attachment. We'll cream everything until light, airy and fluffy. When the mixture gets to this stage, we are going to start introducing into it the butter. This will be done in bits. The addition of the butter into the sugar egg mix is going to make it curdled. But don't be afraid if you try this process and then you get to that stage. Adding of the dry ingredients is going to bring everything together and you even forget it got to a stage like this when it was being made. Trust me on this and I know it's going to work out because I've done this, experimented with it for a while before I decided to post about it. We are going to sift the dry ingredients, so we'll pick up our mixing, place onto it the sieve, we'll add in the salt, the flour, baking powder, and then we sieve everything together. Then we'll use the spatula to combine it, and then we start the mixing of the wet ingredients as we introduce into it the dry ingredients bit by bit until everything is added in. We'll open the mixing machine and then scrape the bowl. Then we add into it the vanilla essence and our evaporated milk. After that is done, we separate the mixing bowl from the mixing machine and then scoop the butter from the bowl into the piping bag, which we'll be using to pipe out the butter into the donut machine. Now we are going to heat up the donut maker for 30 seconds and then we'll start piping into each of the slots. Then we'll cover it and let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we are going to check on it, flip the ones that need to be flipped so that it cooks on all sides. And then we'll repeat this same process until all the batter that we made have been transformed from the states it is into donuts that are edible and safe to sell to customers. When the donuts are removed, they are being placed on a cooling rack on top of a serving tray. This is going to help air cool down the donuts before they are packaged into the packaging rubbers that I use most of the time. So this is how they look like. Before we get into the next aspect, please my loves, have you subscribed to the channel yet? If you haven't, kindly do so now by clicking on the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. There is nothing being charged for just subscribing and joining this delicious and amazing team every single day on your screens. Please subscribe and I promise you are going to enjoy it. These are how the ring donuts look like. So we finished taking them out of the machine with the skewer. This is how the rest also look like. Let's look at that. With this, we times the original recipe by 5 and we had 100 pieces in all. So this is how it looks like. We are going to break into it. Just look at how soft it is. So try this recipe and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we'll meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.